Reg.
And I'm Rob. This is Ribs Radio. Man, sorry for the...
I want to say the intro this time, where we bring you the latest and the greatest. I'm going to issue this through this for like 15 weeks now. The latest and the greatest in social media, bullshit, politics, not really, because we don't want to get too deep and have people upset.
Huh? Michael Jackson got shot with a laser.
Shout out to Dick Gregory, the realest nigga ever.
Because Michael Jackson got shot with a laser
Hey,
at 2 a.m.
Bruh, if y'all haven't seen the Dick Gregory interviews he been doing lately, please watch that shit. Like Rob said, he said what?
Michael Jackson got shot.
He can't even get it out. This nigga said Michael Jackson got shot with a laser at 2 a.m. in the morning, and the Lords of London couldn't protect him.
They had a $1.5 billion contract.
How you know?
Insurance policy. Huh?
I seen the check, nigga.
Huh?
Dick Gregory is a prime example is when you know your OG uncle that's sharp, when that doesn't seen too much, but when he get old and you still let this nigga talk, it's like, all right, Unc, you was good about 5 years ago. Now it's time for you to cut your mic off because now you just said anything.
But at the same time, you gotta listen.
You gotta listen because he was sharp once upon a time. He gonna slip a bar. He gonna slip a bar in there.
Huh? But real shit, shout out to Dick Gregory.
Yeah.
You know, what we gonna do with the motherfucker, man, out here in the world, there's some real nigga shit going on, right? So they got this chef. He backstage. He about to do a live cooking.
It was like, you know how they be having Good Morning America and stuff?
Yeah, yeah.
He's like, oh, let's cut over to Jenny. She's over there with Chef. He looked like a chef. What did he look like? He looked like a Brad or.
This nigga looked like a bootleg Emerald. Bam.
Nah, he was like, it was a young white dude. He kind of.
Yeah, but he looked like Emerald. All white people with black hair look like Emerald. If he fat.
Yeah, because he didn't look like Chef Ramsay. Yeah, so he had to look like Emerald.
What's the dude that go around and eat all the food everywhere and take all the challenges? Man versus food.
Man versus food.
That's Emerald little brother.
Fuck.
That's Gemerald.
That's Ruby. Hey, no, but yeah, so they filming the live shit. They filming the news shit, and you know how they cut the segment to go over. Like, let's go check in with Chef Ruby, Emerald little brother. They gonna see what he's cooking. They cut to this nigga Rob.
This nigga got a goddamn credit card chopping up coke.
Bro, this nigga had rails. Like, it wasn't line. He had
rails. It was a fat ass line. It was one fat line.
No, I thought it was two fat ones.
No, nigga, he was turning it into one.
Bro, that shit was looking like the T-train, my nigga.
It was the T-train.
Hey, that nigga had two fat ones, right? Mind you, you know how that morning shit be. That shit was live. This nigga got caught, nigga, like me.
It was live. But the cool part is, he smiled at the cameraman like he snorted a line with the cameraman before all the cameras was on. He was like, look, man, we're going to do it again. I'll save you some. Right? No. You know what happened? The nigga poured out. He said, I'm going to save this much coke so we can snort it. And the nigga ended up pouring all of it. The cameraman was over here. He was like, man, no, this nigga didn't just pour it all. They caught that nigga lining that shit up.
Hey.
And he was like,
but this where you know where, I don't know if this was white privilege or real nigga shit kicked in, because he didn't have a busted face or nothing. Like, when he got caught, he was just like, yeah.
No, yeah, but he looked at the cameraman like, bruh, we were supposed to do this together. But he played him. He had that look like, oh, my nigga, you know I had some more. That's what I think.
He better tell them that was like some special high-grade flour, nigga, he was finna use to fry some shit with or something. I don't know, because that was hella cold, though.
He did it. But you know what? That was funny. But what else I thought was pretty funny, this fucked up, right, from Gopher. Look, Black Lives Matter, okay? But Bobby Shmurda got denied bail 7 times. My nigga, quit asking for bail, nigga.
Bruh. According to New York niggas, the police don't want to let that nigga on the street. There's certain niggas that the police don't want on the streets.
Is he a real killer? He probably is.
According to New York niggas, them GS niggas was really getting that shit in.
Okay.
GS9, to be clear. And Yeah, so
all right. Well, this nigga got denied bail 7 times. Look, it's about time this nigga go to court. Say, look, judge. Fuck you. How much time you finna give me? No, I'm just playing. Look, can I get? That's what real niggas think. But when they go to court, them niggas be sitting like this.
every time they show you Bobby Shmurda, damn, I got the hiccups. Every time they show you Bobby Shmurda a picture when he in court, he reminds you that he a little boy because this nigga always got the lost like in the mall, like where my mommy face. Like,
hey, he got the same face. Let me transition. He had the same face as this basketball player, this college player. This nigga tripped the ref, right? This nigga about 6'10". This nigga stuck his leg out. This nigga leg about 4 feet, right? He stuck his leg out. He was in the middle of the court. The ref was out of bounds. This nigga stuck his leg all the way out, tripped the ref. Ref was like, fuck that shit, Tech, get out the game.
He wasn't smooth with it?
Fuck nah, nigga, that nigga leg.
So wait,
had a plastic
when you
man
said
leg.
his leg was hella long, I just picture Sub-Zero nigga on Mortal Kombat when he do the slide, that nigga leg.
It was like Dawson's.
Oh shit.
This nigga leg went out, they caught the motherfucker. But
You gotta be like them two that was in Texas. Remember when the football game and the ref was calling racial slurs? And they acted like they was going on the run play and the one nigga took out the bottom half of the ref and the other nigga went over the top and took the ref out. It was that was smooth shit. Like, I don't know.
you want to rock? I don't know about your hiccups. This nigga got the hiccups. This nigga telling funny shit. I don't know whether to laugh at the hiccups or what the fuck he said. This nigga like, yeah. Was his legs like Sub-Zero? It wasn't like this.
We might not get through this show because my hiccups. These shits need to hurry up and go. We can't get through this shit because I got the hiccups. I don't know where the fuck it came from.
I don't know either. We gotta keep this show, bro. We
gonna call this the hiccup episode.
Oh shit. Fuck, we gotta rock. Bro, you ain't had the hiccups in like a year, bro.
I can't remember the last time I had the hiccups. These shits is real right now. Hopefully this ginger ale might settle with or something. Maybe I should take the regular shit.
Alright. Okay.
Oh, I ain't even got no more ginger ale.
It's over there.
Oh, that's good. Let me get it. But
What the fuck? No.
maybe
All
you
right.
should just talk because I can't even get a whole
Okay.
sentence out.
We got, I'm sorry. Let me get personal. Elsewhere in today's news, we have El Chapo, who has got,
Man, that was cold, dude. I can't even say fuck you without hiccuping.
we gotta keep this on. Bro, we gotta keep, okay.
So we already
El
had talked
Chapo,
about-
this nigga, they caught this nigga. This nigga's in jail. They're not playing games with this nigga. They got 400 cameras plus more. They got fucking Mission Impossible. You remember that movie Escape or whatever with Sylvester Stallone and Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Escape plan.
That's where this nigga's in jail. They got this nigga in an escape plan, right? They got 400 cameras watching El Chapo. Not 400 cameras around the facility. 400 cameras watching El Chapo. Nigga, 400. About 2 or 3 cameras should be good
Nigga, I
enough.
seen Ocean 11, nigga. He could blow all them cameras. He got enough money to make 400 cameras turn into no cameras.
Oh, real nigga shit. Shouts out to El Chapo.
But you know, you heard how he got caught though?
Somebody snitched.
Well,
It's always the nigga that snitch.
Yeah, but no, because this nigga,
Snitches get stitches.
he started trying to contact fucking movie actors, nigga, to work on his life story movie.
Sean Penn snitched on him.
Actually, they said it was the bitch who contacted Sean Penn. That's what made it bad. And then plus he liked to get them
What
fancy
is
shirts.
his killer bitch?
Oh no, not the killer bitch, not the thick bitch. The bitch who I guess she had all the LA connections or whatever. So she the one, yeah, she kind of fucked up.
Alright. Well, that's some fucked up shit.
Oh, hold on, real quick about El Chapo. You seen the shirt that he had with the picture with Sean Penn?
Yeah, but I didn't think much of it.
All right, so it was just a regular. It looked like a fake Versace shirt. It was just like a regular little light blue and dark blue.
Yeah, I seen
like
it.
a little silk shirt. So the motherfucker was maybe $85 at first, maybe $120 at the most. It was from like a little boutique in LA. Do you know after he got arrested, that picture hit the net, nigga? Them motherfucking shirts, nigga, sold out like that. And these motherfuckers being auctioned off on eBay for thousands and shit now.
I know where you can get them shirts from.
Where?
Fukujima. Where's that place you was talking about?
Fukujima.
Nigga, you know the place.
Oh, Zara.
Zara. Okay, my bad.
I was gonna say the San Jose flea market. I done seen them El Chapo shirts, nigga. They been there since I've been down that way. They could have been when they got them some El Chapo shirts. They didn't go to LA. They didn't pay no markup.
Shouts out to the real niggas buying the El Chapo shirt.
Yeah. I ain't gonna
That was the
lie. I'm on one.
shirt he was seen in. Hey, if they make him.
Oh, I needed an El Chapo shirt and a Bill Cosby sweater, nigga. I'm gonna be set to next winter, nigga. It's lit.
You gotta take a picture on that one. Because this nigga. This nigga said he gotta have a Bill Cosby.
His arrest sweater was wrong. No, not that. Nah, he had the fake Yeezy sweater on when he got wrapped up. That sweater was hard. I was literally trying to find one. For New Year, fuck you. Don't laugh at my hiccups. Man, if y'all laugh at my hiccups, fuck y'all too. Man, this is real nigga. This is real nigga shit right now. Real niggas
It's
get
real.
the hiccups.
Okay. It's not even that funny. You know what I'm saying? Look. Let's keep it. Let's bring it to some serious news. Niggas want to boycott the Oscars.
That's like 200 years too late.
Fuck yeah. Fuck the Oscars. First of all, if you waiting on an Oscar, first of all, the BET award, well, it's not even black owned, but the BET award, Oscar, whatever the fuck that is, this is probably called the Leroy. You feel me? So the Leroys, that's what we should call it, the Leroy.
I was gonna say Omari.
And rest in peace.
But yeah, niggas boycotting the Oscars because this is like the 800th time out of 1,000 Oscars that
Jada Pinkett said we should boycott the Oscars because she ain't worked in a major movie since
The Matrix.
Since The Matrix, and that shit was in 1986 when it was created. No, no,
by a black woman.
Nah, but Jada Pinkett, I mean, I understand what she's saying, but at the same time,
She ain't only tripping because her husband they get nominated for snitching on the NFL.
yeah, that's what I was about to say.
That's the only reason why she tripping. If her husband would have got nominated for snitching on the NFL, because I don't support that movie and condone that shit. But yeah,
Who cares about concussions? Niggas want to get $8 million a year for running into each other.
Man.
For
you play football as a professional sport. You already knew what the fuck you signed
You know what
up
time
for.
it is.
Some niggas is just warriors, and you know what I mean. And it's different type of warriors. And them niggas is fucking warriors on Sunday. They play football. They know what they doing.
We cut hair. We know what might come through that door. We don't know. Goddamn nigga.
We know what we signed up for.
Yeah.
We know what comes along being in a black barbershop in the hood.
Hiccups. Oh shit. Okay. This isn't a hiccup. Alright. So I saw this and I wanted to talk about it. Because I wanted to talk about it for some points. Alright. So in Brazil, it was a bitch fight. Right? So I guess a bitch caught another bitch. It was a side bitch, right? So he caught the side bitch. But the bitch who was beating the little bitch ass, this bitch had to be about 6 feet, 6'2", 220 pounds, and she was thick as fuck.
For real?
She was thick as fuck.
Oh shit, I gotta check that out.
She was beating up on a bitch that was like 5'2", 95 pounds. Baby buns.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah.
And she beat the bitch up and tossed the bitch off of a bridge, my nigga.
Why? She already whooping her ass. She literally twice her size. Why she gotta toss her off a bridge?
Fuck. I know. That shit, bruh. That shit looked at like the bitch. You know how they say, "Oh, she a big Amazon woman." Yeah. That I understand why they say that. The bitch was like 6'2". God damn it, that bitch looked like China.
In the words of YG, I might drop you, but I won't stomp you because that's disrespect. You already twice the bitch size. You ain't had to throw her over no bridge.
But the cold part is, she threw the bitch off like a 10-foot bridge, and then the water was like 3 feet.
Fuck.
So that bitch could have broke all kind of ankles and bones and all kind of shit. But I mean, it was funny to me because I was looking at it like, God damn, this bitch hella big. Why is she beating up on this little bitch? And then I looked and was like, damn, that bitch kind of thick.
Come on, titty. That's all we worry about when women get to fight. We just want to see their titties fly out. We might not even be breast men, but when bitches is fighting, you gonna turn into a breast man.
And you want to see what kind of panties she got on, and if she have on panties at all.
I swear, as soon as two females fight, I'm just wondering. I'm betting on the nipple in my head. Like, is it gonna be salami, pepperoni, or bologna? I'm talking about the areolas.
Shouts out to all the bitches with lovely areolas.
Cause niggas got preferences. I
like big titties.
No, but do you like a big areola? Like some niggas, they don't want they like the little weak ass Hershey Kiss nipples. Like your bitch look like she still ain't developed yet. I don't like that. I'd rather the National Geographic areola, like where that should be like half the titty took up.
The big areolas.
Yeah, and then they got a nice little licorice bite on the end. Like,
shout out to big titties.
I don't know, that's my titty preference.
Shouts out to big asses. Shouts out to Shouts out to niggas.
Shout out to women, period.
Hell yeah.
Women, one man.
Hey, shouts out to the motherfuckers who don't believe in STDs like ghosts. So they go raw and everything.
Yeah.
No, don't do that.
And the best time to go raw is when you was in high school before bitches start getting grown dick.
Yeah.
Because when you like 14 to 16, is perfect, fine to go unprotected. But you do have to pull out because she will get pregnant immediately. Because your drug and alcohol use is not high enough for you to ward off pregnancies. You will get her pregnant. And you will be on Team Mom. There's no way around that. But you won't catch a real STD.
God damn.
That wasn't me talking, that was the hiccups.
Fuck.
Damn, I really still got the hiccups. I need like some bubble gum or some shit. Or
if you instantly have bubble gum in your
shit, man, with the iron fist is outside.
No, what, that's him?
Oh, it's no problem. I was almost gonna get a pay-per-view real quick.
You wanted us to turn the camera on?
I was definitely gonna spin that shit around and Snapchat that shit too.
Damn, that's fucked up.
Yeah, man, we get drama leaks once a week by the barbershop. So
fuck yeah.
I thought we was gonna be able to share that with y'all.
If we people be like, why don't y'all film live? You know what kind of shit going on?
Hold on, let's tell them. So we try to film live for.
You want to tell them?
No, I'm not gonna tell them because that'd be snitching. But we try to film live on Christmas break. So we put the camera up and we didn't tell nobody. Well, we lightweight did. We told the people that were there.
Yeah.
So the people that were there, they kind of knew. Yeah.
We are filming because we want to film live. And niggas did their part.
And niggas was chilling. Niggas was talking casual. You know?
Niggas did their part. Everybody spoke how they. I have the footage still.
It won't be documented. It's documented, but it will not be shared. But so everything was going cool. We was like, oh yeah, this is some good footage. And then that one nigga walked in and was like, y'all.
Blah, blah, blah.
No, I was gonna give you an example. He didn't say this, but he was just like, nigga, guess what the fuck I did? I just shot 4 niggas in the head. And I was sitting on 3 police thinking about shooting them too. And we like, we're not gonna be able to edit this. And we trying to give him the eye. We trying to wink like I got the.
Thank you, Frank.
Yeah, I got the hiccups and everything. I was like, nigga, like, and he was just like, no, I'm serious, nigga. I just like, bro, I just did hella shit. I sold hella dope. I pimped some bitches. And we was like, man, yeah, this is exactly why we can't film live. because niggas would implicate themselves on camera. So
Or maybe inadvertently try to say something, so they'd be like, "Yeah, nigga,
yeah,
I said that one time." Would it be? You know what? Okay, so let's go. Stacey Dash, man. I didn't see it.
She get the coon of like the century, and
So Stacey Dash. So when it's
Dash's cousin.
yeah, when it's a female, we gonna call when a female fucks up, we're gonna call her the raccoon, because it's like it's a mix between a ratchet and a coon. So we gonna call you Ratch-coon.
I'm gonna trademark that shit on Twitter tomorrow. So raccoon is a new term for bitches who be shucking and jacking and
Raccoon.
cooning.
All right.
Raccoons.
Raccoons.
But yeah. So this bitch, what the fuck she did this fucking time? Cause between her and Raven, I quit caring about that shit a little while ago. Cause these hoes do anything.
Well, if you trip, Stacey Dash fuck up her. Look, Stacey Dash back in the day, she was some work.
Really some work. Like I go all the way
She
back
was
to
some work.
Richard Pryor moving.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, niggas only go.
My
Saved by
lust
the
for
Bell.
her was real with Stacey Dash, but
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
that bitch can't get nothing but more money out of me. I'm sorry.
And
And I mean the movie and not my pockets.
But the
Yeah,
bitch
fuck
did
that
something
bitch.
about Black Lives Matter or the Flint water crisis. Shouts out to the people in Flint.
No, this dumbass
No,
bitch said, because I was oblivious that I hadn't been on social media, and then as soon as I went to go look, this bitch said there shouldn't be no fucking Black History Month.
Wait. Okay. Oh, wait. I want to say this right. This bitch said it should be no Black History Month.
I'm going off the headlines. You know, I don't read articles.
Okay, I
But-
get it.
Yeah.
But I don't get it. Why say it? You get what I'm saying? What did you say about the?
My uncle always told me
Yeah.
it's inside, because he had this problem with Chris Rock. He felt like Chris Rock told inside jokes outside. In certain conversations we as a people, we supposed to have amongst ourselves and not around others. You know what I mean? When I say others, I mean anybody that's not black. So we can sit up here and joke about certain shit amongst ourselves, but we not supposed to do that on stage, and you know what I mean, not for the public and shit. And
certain shit ain't made for the viewing public.
well, first off, it really shouldn't even be no need for Black History Month, because at the end of the day,
We should teach Black history every single day.
right, because it should be a part of history as a whole. It shouldn't have to be a separate segment, because when you boil down to it, all this should be centered around us. But yeah.
No, I understand. I totally understand. I get that. You know what I'm saying? First of all, shouts out to our ancestors, the children of the slaves, trying to get this shit right. We got goddamn Flint, Michigan.
No, mommy, I'm just trying to fix my hiccups.
You good. You good. You start thinking about it, you gonna start hiccuping again. you gonna make me laugh again.
So you gotta do hella stupid shit to get rid of the hiccups. Like you gotta pinch your nose and tilt your head back like a DUI test. You gotta fucking put your finger behind your jaw and try to pop your jaw, and
you gotta get scared. Or
got
you gotta breathe into a bag with meth in it.
Real quick. He said breathe into a bag with meth in it. How big of a bag? Because if it's too little of a bag, you might accidentally snort something.
Be on live TV in China, Russia, France.
Nah, but I was gonna say, all right, now you always talk about the snarf. Don't light your blunt yet. You always talk about the snarf, right?
A snarf. Okay, if you don't know what a snarf is a sneeze and a fart at the same time. Now, if you haven't experienced it, you ain't gonna know. But for those who have you experienced a snarf? Yes or no?
No, and this is the reason why I say
this is
why I gotta say
you would
no.
know if you did.
Because you say the pain is that bad, I will definitely remember something like that, but I don't think I have though.
Okay. If you sneeze and fart at the same time, it is enough force to lift you out your seat so you can clap for your goddamn team. Like if you was like, oh shit, achoo, you would be like, That's exactly right. With no effort. You don't even remember using these. The quadriceps.
Shit.
Because the gravitational force is G, right? No, it's not G, not gravitational. It's force plus air, the rotation, and the trajectory. F-A-R-T. Fart. So that's what happened. So if you sneeze
No, so
and
what
fart
I
at
was
the
gonna ask
same
you
time,
was,
nigga.
so with a hiccup and a fart at the same time, do you think that would have the same amount of pain?
No. A hiccup and a fart at the same time, you would end up in the ER because your clavicle muscle will invert and contract at the same time.
All right, now you scare me. I'm glad I don't have no gas in my system. These hiccups have been here for like damn near an hour now.
If you do it at the same time and fart, you know what? I'm gonna have to call 911 on the real.
Fuck.
Because I've never experienced that, so. But I do know what a snarf is, nigga. I don't know how to mix a hiccup and a fart.
Damn, I better not touch no type of gas right now because you scared me now. Oh, shit. Fuck.
Oh shit. Well, you know, we want to say thanks to all the people who watch us.
All 86 of y'all.
No.
I think we have
For everybody who will. Why do you want to keep talking about all 80? Look. Thank y'all for watching. We finna smoke this weed. Well, I'm finna smoke this weed.
I don't smoke weed all the time.
Because your drug is... that's why it tastes like that. It's the green one.
You can taste the difference? I really can't.
I can. Usually we drink the orange label.
They got a white label. Well, it's not white. It's like off-white.
Do they got a black label?
Nah.
Black Lives Matter. Only when some shit
Except
happens.
in Flint, Michigan, because they got colored water again.
Fuck. They water look like beer. Straight up, they got 40s all day.
And then they're not even good beer. That shit is like Pabst Blue Ribbons and Milwaukee's Best, nigga. That shit cloudy as fuck.
Stop it. Bruh. I don't know what I would do. I don't know what I would do.
But you know what? There's been a problem in Flint for a minute, but now I guess the niggas just found out about this shit last week. Cause now they like,
Flint, Michigan. Look, we gotta do this for Flint. Ride for Flint. What you gonna do? You gonna send some water bottles? Nah, but I'm gonna post hella shit on Instagram and Twitter.
No, but real shit, I just think they said they raised like 420 tons. Don't quote me on this. Like they just raised hella water for Flint. Like hella water. Yeah, I guess people been donating water bottles and shit.
Hell yeah.
No,
I understand.
Ain't nobody from California because California's in a drought.
That's fucked up. I ain't gonna say it. Don't matter.
I ain't sent shit. I'm trying to send some bullets, but y'all not ready.
I know. Why would you say that?
I'm just talking shit. I'm drunk. Don't mind me.
I
and
know.
I took pain.
I hella wanted to bring a big ass gun and put it on camera and be like, you know what? Nah, this not even real. And then people will be like,
because unlike you other states, we're not really allowed to have guns for real.
No.
We can only have like
basic. I do have 2 guns. I will fucking hit you with the jab left hand. 2 times.
They got a 22 and a 25.
Exactly.
I seen Rob shadow boxing himself and did not go well.
I'm the backyard brawling champion. I will fuck you up. I fuck shit up, bruh. On the real.
You're the backyard brawling champion.
Look, I put out flyers. Niggas didn't want to come fight me in the backyard. Shit up. I will fuck somebody up. Like right now, drunk. High as fuck. Look, right now.
Wait.
You see, look, I got him.
This nigga just said he the backyard fighting champion.
I put out flyers.
How are you the champion?
Cause didn't nobody want to fight me. I had 18 shadow boxing fights. 18-0, 18 knockouts.
Hold on. This nigga is 18-0 nigga by disqualifications.
It wasn't no reps.
So I'm saying, how you say, all right, you put out flyers, but where the fuck was y'all supposed to fight at? You just put out flyers
in the backyard. Cause my neighbor said I could use his backyard when he had work, right?
Nigga.
Bruh, it was cool. I'm telling you, the nigga had a citrus tree. But the cool part is, the ring was only like 4 feet by 6 feet. Right. It was like a postcard.
Y'all hear this shit? This nigga
On the real.
is a self-proclaimed backyard fighting champion because he put out fires to fight in the backyard and nobody showed up.
Champion.
Fuck.
Champion. Goddamn, you told me to do like the weed. We gonna keep it rocking. Okay, look, man. You was talking about some of them. Man, you brought up some other topics, and I was like, dude, you want to bring them shits up? Man, we have other ass topics, and I was like, we was gonna stick.
Oh, we had some shit we didn't write down.
Yeah.
Oh, this is one I meant to bring up earlier.
Yes.
Did you see the Mexicans who try to smuggle in the 500? They trying to smuggle in $500,000 worth of weed inside fake carrots.
God damn. Who did that? Who?
Somebody trying to come across the Mexican border. I guess.
Oh, somebody.
So they try to.
If it was the Mexicans, God damn it! Look,
the niggas trying to holler out
whoever the fuck that was. Nigga, you are better than me.
Yeah, they trying to smuggle some weed over and some carrots.
And some carrots.
I don't even think they
know
real
it
carrots
wasn't
because they
good.
looked too big. It looked like fake carrots.
Nah, them shits was hella orange. Hey, them shits was safety orange. Them shits looked like orange cones on the side of the freeway. They probably even had reflectors on the side. They didn't even know. They didn't even know.
We didn't even talk about. Did we talk about the one guy? You was telling me somebody shot the police or some shit.
Oh shit! You wanna wait? Okay, there's a white dude in Ohio. God damn it! This white dude then killed. First of all, he beat his bitch up, right? First, this bitch ass nigga beat his bitch up, right? Beat his bitch up. Then he told her, "I want to kill some cops." No, he did.
I know. It's so funny.
This nigga went out, shot a cop in the head.
Oh shit.
Real nigga shit, right? Okay, no problem. Guess what happened? They arrested him.
Oh, of course. Because he had the complexion for the protection.
Fuck yeah. I know niggas who run from the cops.
Y'all like to call that white privilege now on social media.
That
man.
shit
It's called
is
the
true.
complexion for the protection. Yeah.
A white man could kill another white man and get arrested. A black man could say, "Oh my God, I got a goddamn A for weed on me, but I'm on probation. I'm faster than this cop. Let me run away from him and hit a fence.
He's gonna get.
I got shot in the back.
Look.
Holy shit!
Oh look, he's gonna get shot 72 times in the back with one clip out of a 9mm.
How did that happen?
It's gonna be over bad.
Well, like we say, we gotta let shit, nobody is trying to bring inside conversations outside. Whenever, we love everybody, but you have to understand that we need to have fun too. We just want to make everybody laugh. We love y'all. This is Ribs Radio, real internet barbershop. Try to keep it real as we can without talking about too much. I'm Rob.
I'm Reg.
You better be watching.
All 56 of y'all.